Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Kosik. So as previous, I came with a new video. So this is how to create a new virtual machines, or you can say instance in the Microsoft Azure. So please keep watching and keep support. So you are watching Tech Guru Kosik. Let's start the video. So this is the main portal. So after login your account and all those things and credit information, credit card information, so this page will come. So from here I already explained what are the services is available here. So at first, so basically whenever any kind of resource you guys have created, storage resource or VM instances and other things, so obviously you have to create your resource group. So resource group is the main important part. So this is the resource. So this is the main screen. So here I can create a new resource group. So from here I can create option. So the processing and free trial option. So here you can see is your demo, because we are creating a demo account, and then is the ESTUS. It's a default region. So next is the created. So it is now validation passed. If I click on create, so it will automatically process the validation. So resource group is created. Now what we'll do, go to the home, and here is the create resource. Here I have to select Windows Server 2000 data center. Okay, so after selecting, this is the free trial option, and resource group our demo. Okay, and virtual machine name is my name, Kosik ESTUS default, and here is the Windows Server data center version, and this one is the default your machine size to vCPU and 4 GB RAM. So here you can customize your configuration based on your requirement. I have chosen it by a very nominal. So this is the free, based on the free subscription. Username is the Kosik, and password also I have given some best recommended password. So whenever guys you put your information, you have to check this one. The green tick is need to be calm. So here you have to put your all, if you are working on the internet and all those things, you have to put HTTP, HTTPS, RTP and all those things. So here I have to create and review. So it will take up a fraction of second. So guys, it is in processing, so wait a bit. So it is in progress. So whatever the information is asking, so initial stage is asking for the pricing. Okay, so you can see this is the information. You can modify it. Here is the advanced option. Okay, you can put some custom data also, during the tags also, some information management also. Okay, so here is a boot diagnosis. The default features is by default enable Azure Ready, login enable, auto shutdown, auto backup, enable backup, site recovery. So basically this is the advanced feature. So you can do your based on your requirement. So here you can see automatic IP address, default IP address, and public IP basic. So yeah, it says automatically selected. So you can modify it as per your recommendation. Create and review. So if I click on create, it will also take us a second after to complete this particular steps, and after that your VM is ready in your hand, or your you can say your instance also. Just a second, guys, you can see the progression is going on. So here, yes, now validation is passed. So this is the steps, and here I need to create. So I think there is the initial deployment is progress. So here, from here you can monitor. This is the pretty cool features of the Microsoft Azure, because here from here you can see everything, whatever the process, whatever the progression is going on, everything you can see. So guys, you can see deployment in progress. So here the whatever the deployment stage, VNet and resource group. Okay, and WSDIX information, WSDIX creation, and VM compute creation. So everything it will come. You can see this is VNet, IP, network security group. So everything is created. Now this is the compute part is pending. So that part will create automatically with the, because whatever the information required and for the basic VM creation, so already we have put it over there. So just a second, it will little in progress, still now in progress, guys. So here you can see. So now virtual compute and Microsoft Compute virtual machines, that is in a progress, means it will already started the process. So here, from here also you can do refresh also if you are not able to understand the still it is in progress or not. So after refresh it will complete. So your details, whatever the VM switch is created. So this is, guys, so whoever new in this platform, so we want to learn lots of on this particular subject technology, so you guys please keep watching and support me for more this kind of videos. Okay, so now I have to check this is deployment succeeded. So guys, this message have to become after the your instruction. So this is the deployment process is going completed, and here I click on resource. You can see the CMVM is running. So public IP address and all those things, network IP address and other things, everything is completed here. So that's it for guys. So if I connect from the RDP, it will show the system details. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. Tata, bye bye for now.